Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French term, French cooking term, that designates the time you spend preparing all of the dishes and ingredients before the beginning of service. That's in a professional cooking kitchen or in a restaurant, for example. This term literally means putting everything into place. So how do you go about pronouncing this? From French, mise en place. Mise en place. In English or American, you could say mise en place. Mise en place. But in French, typical French pronunciation, mise en place. Mise en place. La mise en place or mise en place. If you want to learn more about all of the French cooking terms and French produce that are sometimes tricky to pronounce, here are many more videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.